Hey everybody, welcome back to Down the Shore Homestead. So today's video is another installment of the Homemade Remedies backed by science and actually work video series. And this is the decongestant recipe that you've all been waiting for that I've been talking about. I don't have all of the ingredients, and honestly, I don't want to make it right now because it's really only good for like 2 weeks because you really want it to be the most potent for it to work well. So I'm going to give you the reasons why these ingredients work, and I'm going to walk you through how to make this here in just a second. So, as we say around here, let's go down the shore. Thanks for sticking around. Obviously, you're looking for a homemade recipe that's not full of chemicals that actually works. And the reason that this recipe works is because the radishes contain sulfur, and sulfur will help break up the mucus. And the red onions are the strongest onions that are out there, and they have antiviral and antibacterial properties. And the garlic has been used for centuries, and modern science has confirmed this recently that it actually works. They are full of antioxidants and quercetin, which is an antioxidant that reduces mucus as well as anti-inflammatory properties, which will reduce the swelling in the nasal passages and your sinuses, which will alleviate your congestion and sinus pressure. Quercetin can stabilize cells that reduce histamine, a chemical involved in allergic reactions and congestion. That will help reduce the symptoms of allergies like a runny nose, watery eyes, and sinus pressure. So quercetin's antioxidant activity may also help protect the respiratory tract from oxidative damage caused by the radicals, which can exacerbate congestion and inflammation. And as you all know, the honey in this recipe has antioxidants, antiviral, antibacterial, and it can coat your throat. And lemons are an antiviral, antibacterial, antiseptic. And the citric acid in the lemons will cut through the mucus in your throat. And ginger is known for boosting your immune system. And it can also soothe a cough and a sore throat. And it can kill viruses, unlike cold medicine. So the recipe is 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 1 onion cut into chunks, 5 to 6 radishes, 1 inch of ginger, 1 cup of raw honey, and you're going to blend all of those until it's fine. You can use a food processor, you can use a blender, it's up to you. Now, if you need to add more honey because this is going to be for little kids, then that's fine. I mean, just use your discretion. Taste it yourself and see how it tastes. Once it's all blended, you're going to put a piece of cheesecloth over a strainer, over a bowl, and you're going to let it strain for 2 to 3 hours. Once it's done straining, you're going to put it into a glass jar and you're going to keep it in the fridge for, like I said, up to 2 weeks. So the dosage for this recipe is 1 to 2 tablespoons for young children a couple times a day, and adults 2 to 4 tablespoons a couple times a day. And actually, if you didn't catch this right off the bat and it's getting pretty bad, you could take this every hour for that first day. And don't worry about taking too much. It's not going to cause any harm. It's all natural whole foods, so how can it really be bad for you? And actually, you might just start smelling like the ingredients, so it might keep Dracula away or any vampires that you might have in your neighborhood. So hopefully you got something out of this video and you'll try this recipe out. And put in the comments below if you tried this recipe and it works. Because everybody I know that's tried it, it has worked. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So the next video in this series is going to be a sore throat recipe. And there's actually a few of them. They're super simple. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for when I upload that one. And I'll probably do that next week. So again, thank you for your support, and thanks for checking out all of the recipes that I have on my channel. And Rocco's over there sleeping in the recliner right now because it's kind of chilly out. And it's getting dark way faster than we're used to. And this time change has really messed him up. So he doesn't even know when he's supposed to go play. So I figured I'd show you guys how comfy he is in his little recliner chair. Hey, Rock, you got your carrot bone and you're chilling? Because this time change has really messed you up, huh, baby? Yeah, you don't really want to go outside, do you? Yeah, that's all right. Take your nap. Say thanks, everybody, for coming around, and we'll see you next time.